Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stripe billing for SaaS subscriptions and trials, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Stripe billing for your SaaS subscriptions and trials, log in to your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the billing section from the left side menu. Next, click on Products to create a new product. Fill in the product details such as name and description. Set the pricing model for your subscription. Choose whether your plan will be a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. Next, click on Create Product to save the details. Now, navigate to the Customers section. To create a new customer, click on Add Customer. Fill in the customer's information, including their email and payment details. After adding a customer, go to the Subscriptions tab. Click on Create Subscription to set up a new subscription for that customer. Select the product you created earlier from the product list. Choose the pricing plan that corresponds with the customer's subscription. If you are offering a trial, set the trial period duration. Next, confirm all details and click on Start Subscription. After creating the subscription, you will receive a confirmation message. To manage subscriptions, return to the Subscriptions section in the dashboard. Here, you can view, modify, or cancel existing subscriptions as needed. Remember to check the Reports section for billing insights and metrics. For further customization, explore the API documentation provided by Stripe. This will allow you to automate billing and integrate it into your application. By following these steps, you will successfully authorize Stripe billing for your SaaS subscriptions and trials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.